Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am making Suji milk dessert, a soft layered sweet made with semolina and creamy milk topping. Simple ingredients, rich taste, and perfect for family gatherings. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add 2 teaspoons ghee. Add 1 cup suji or semolina. Roast on low heat. Roasted suji enhances its aroma. Keep stirring. Suji desserts are popular in many countries. Roast until suji turns golden in color. Add 1/4 cup sugar, 2 cups milk. Mix well. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. And cook until the mixture thickens and start separating from the pan. Grease oil in a 7-inch glass mold and spread the suji mixture evenly. Now in another pan, take 2 cups milk, 1/4 cup corn flour and 3 tablespoons sugar. Mix well. Cook on medium heat until thickened. Cook milk layer until properly thick. Pour this milk layer over the suji base. Layered sweets look more festive. Let it cool completely. Then cut into pieces. Garnish with walnut and pistachio on top. Suji provides energy from carbohydrates. Milk adds calcium and protein. Homemade sweets contain fewer additives. Enjoy in moderate portion. Your suji milk dessert is creamy, soft, and perfectly layered. Serve chill for best taste. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy dessert.